Hi guys! It's me, your boy, Sam Sabashon, and I'm here for another video. Jump, jump, jump. Jump! So, for today's video is we're gonna react to Blackpink Jump newest music video. Ayan, nakaka-excite po. Kasi I'm a Blink talaga since Hit the with the do. So, I'm excited for this video and I'm going to see them then on July 22 sa Toronto, sa Rogers Stadium. So, excited talaga ako to watch this music video and Blackpink is back and Blackpink in your area and Blackpink is the revolution! So, ayun, let's start watching na the newest music video. I'm so excited na talaga. Oh my God! Jump! Okay guys, kinakabahan na ako. So, this is my first time. I'm gonna watch it in my laptop kasi para big screen. Ayoko mag-watch sa phone ko. So, dapat sa laptop talaga para ma-feel mo talaga yung experience. Yeah! So, let's do this. Let's go! But, nakakainis yung advertisement na to. May advertisement pa talaga. Also guys, kagising ko lang, like, morning there talaga. I just woke up. So, this is my morning face. Oh, nag-flex. So, ayan, let's do this na. Dapat full blast yung music. Okay? Okay, directed by Dave Meyers. I love it for you. Ang ganda talaga ni Jisoo, Dai. Okay, Rosie? Ang ganda ni Rosie! Ah, Jisoo! Bias ko si Jisoo, guys! Uy, ba't si Jennie nasa ngipin ko? Ay, laban ni Lisa, Dai! Hey! Paras lang mga zombies! Uy! I love it. Uy, pag ganun sila, Dai. Okay. The backup dancers, yung mga dancers, para sa mga zombie na addicted to Blackpink. I love it. So, if magiging zombie ako, gusto ko zombie ako na addicted sa Blackpink. So, gusto ko lang ma-taste yung pink venom. Yeah! Parang naano nila yung pink venom, parang kinain nila yung pink venom or na-absorb nila yung pink venom. Kaya ganun. Anyways, let's continue. What? I love it. Naging vampire! Naging Twilight sila yung tatakbo. Para silang mga vampire. Yeah. I love it. Naging Twilight din siya. Oh my God! Jisoo and Jennie, so pretty! My God, Lisa's long hair is so giving. My God, she's so pretty! I love it, Rosie. My gravity din siya. Fuck. Uy, Jisoo! Hindi ba yan masakit? My goodness, napangus ka na dyan. Ang sakit kaya niyan. Pero vampire naman sila, so okay lang. Hindi sila masasaktan. My God, it's for rave! Perfect tong song na to for rave. Ay. Blackpink is back, guys. Huy! Naging fly na sila. Look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's Blackpink. My God, they're flying everywhere! Ang cute nila dahil. Ano din sila, no? Defying gravity din sila. Kasi hindi na sila kailangan ng wings para lumipad. I love it. Uy! Para talagang silang ano, day. Lumilipad na ano. Basta alam niyo yun. What? Okay. My God, para talaga silang zombies. Okay, naging dark. I think this is the ending. Like agad! Like! Oh my God! 3 million likes na. Release 13 hours. I love it! I love it! Thank you, Blackpink! Blackpink is officially back na good, guys. The biggest K-pop group. So, I love it. I enjoyed the music video. So, yeah. That's my reaction video. So, yeah. So, we're done watching the Blackpink newest music video. So, all I can say, perfection. It's very different from the others. And it's very Blackpink. The fashion, the set and everything. Shout out to Dave Mayers. Galing mo talaga mag-make ng music video. I'm so happy to watch again. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share. And the most important thing is to subscribe. Hopefully to see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. Blackpink!
Blackpink is the revolution.